Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, B, C, D, E. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. One baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrapped. 5 flowers bloom. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. E is for elephant. Bigger than me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N,
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy
O,
the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi
P,
ho the dairy the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy the cheese stands alone.
Q, R, S,
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin
T,
Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
U,
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
V,
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
W,
Lane.
X,
Do you know the Muffin Man? The
Y,
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who
C,
lives on Drury
blue color,
Lane?
green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat,
Who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
D for doll,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
E for egg, F for frog, G for glass, H for hat, I for igloo, J for jam, K for kite, L for lamb, M for man, N for net, O for onion, P for pen, Q for queen, R for ring, S for star, T for train, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, C for zebra, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.